Action.
Dali, Mike. Tayo doon.
Pilitin mo, nakakanta ako. 5, 6, 7, cause I'm your lady. May you are oh! Ang galing yung bata! Karakit na kami!
Boy!
Galing, no? Ikaw, pakita mo yung ganun mo.
Ganun niya ba yun?
Yung ganito.
Galing mo. Magaling ka pa sa... Magaling sa atin, no? Hindi malambot ka yung katawan mo.
Ikaw muna ba? Saan ko muna?
Kasi, may pag gumagano tayo, nakikita ko sa salamin, para may shadow din siya. Pinagaya. Idol yun.
And he's practicing that.
Shower lang.
Shower me with your love.
Hindi natutuwa.
Hindi natutuwa.
Yung online na yan.
Buwasan lang tayo ng mga ano.
Nagawa na namin ng 85 votes.
Siyempre gagawa mo. Sabi pa ako.
Tap na sa answer. Live break.
Kumakain mo.
Nakakalok.
Kisses, huwag mong gagayahin yung dali, ha?
Ano sa kanya lang?
Cake baby, ano lang? Power peace.
Hindi, yung tulong mo ba yung gano'n?
Pakita mo. Ganun na.
Kapag ganyan lang yung sa gano'n.
And we are celebrating world. Ganun ka lang, ha? Kami lang din ang may yung gano'n.
Hindi yung ano.
Hindi ko mamaya
Yung action mo.
Pagkagalitan
tayo ng mama mo. Ginagawa niya kayo. Pipigil mo yan. Pre, hanap si Yong, artista na. Wala lang lemon, no? Subig.
Lemon.
Ba't mo?
Bakit sila lang?
Sila lang.
Artista na si Yong.
Hindi kaya professional.
Okay lang din.
Sarap ng saging.
Ginagamit niya.
Kukus kain.
Pitas kain.
Silikon dami.
You taste it.
Hindi siya may saging or gulay.
Kasi magsasaing mga ko.
Boom! Ang pusa! Asan na ang pusa? Boom! Ang pusa! Asan na ang pusa? Boom!
Yung sa Dream Girls.
From the top.
Dream Girls.
Hey Johnny, let's take a play. Did you see my pusa? I'm very sad.
Because never siya na
Ano mo na yung drum? Wait, labas lang yung drum.
Drum boy, you know.
Yan mo sa BJ. Hey Johnny!
Paano ko si BJ masanay sa Dream Boys?
Oh my gosh, is that a phone?
How old is he?
20.
Sila kwas.
Ala, cellphone mo.
May aso.
Hoy, nagkikilit-kilit sa Tasha.
Grabe dalawa.
Nasaan sila?
Hoy! This is a set! No! Bye, hoy! Ire! Ire! Bye!
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Bye, wala na tayo sa loob ng bahay-bahay ah.
Kayo!
Toothbrush mo tayo.
Toothbrush siya! Oo, nag-aamit siya.
Bakit pakuluan mo yun?
Bakit na siya natigil?
Bakit mo ginamit? Bakit mo singaw? Shit!
Sige lang, kuya makuntuin. One naman kayo.
No!
Ayun dito.
Hot water or boiling water?
Kawawa naman ni Kuya Nico.
Paano kami nag-lips to lips? Solo! Madiri! Solo! Solo naman eh. Brush na yung brush.
Tapos kung sa video ko, I swear you're happy in your office.
Si Tyler gumamit nun.
Hindi ko yata na. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa. Bay, wala na tayo sa loob ng bari ko.
Oh, wait. Bukoy. Toothbrush tayo.
Si BJ na
I'll hold yours, you hold mine.
Minaalala.
Past yan.
Naalala mo dun sa toothbrush yung toothbrush.
Oh, that's C1 or C7 right now.
Minaalala.
Huwag kayong
Uy, okay lang.
Hey, once upon a time, he was
Once upon a time. The joke one is I find it funny that you're both doing it.
You have to explain it.
Nakakatawa.
Wala sa kasi si May May.
Ay, oo, video tape recording pala yun po. Parang type na ako, hindi pala rehearsal. Hindi. Hindi ka pwede gagawin natin ng puso kasi lumalaki. Pero nakaganto yung nakaganto. Parang hindi kita. Or pipin lang. Kasi kailangan doon ako. Pero para lang ganyan. Kasi bawal na.
Paalaman kami dito. Panisa lang gusto ko.
Yummy there! What's up, girls?
Oh my God!
Ano yung sign niya? Pati may dream girls?
Tapos may ganun.
What's the post for the dream girls again?
I can make that up.
Sige, ano? Sexy. Di ba paano yung sexy? Di ba? Di ba paano yung sexy?
Not me.
Don't be
You're
Jackson.
That's all I have.
Ang kadiri.
Tell me your friend.
How's that gonna help me if I'm afraid? I was staring at you going to help me.
Hey girl, I see you staring already. I know you're not afraid, but I can make you go crazy. Dream boys!
Ladies,
Don't be afraid.
Deserve
me. Hey,
Sexy.
Don't be afraid. Deserve me.
Kita natin siya.
Baby.
Sarap na sarili.
hey girl.
Isa lang siya.
Sexy.
Hindi pa naman ganun.
Parang tatlo ang puwet, no? Because to you, like,
Okay. That's just in the class, Cora. That was not a serious thing.
once you go there, you
Yun siya, Ate May May, no? Dream boys na yan, no? Dream boys, no? Dream boys na yan, no? Dream boys na yan, no? No? Oh, dream boys, no?
There was like a weird mechanical noise in our room, like behind the glass yesterday.
know?
And it was like really sci-fi. Like,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Describe it.
Oh,
Make the sound
What
in
was
your
the
mouth.
tenor? It was like a screeching like that.
Yeah.
It's like lights spinning, like metal spinning against metal. Something like that.
Oh, mask!
Yeah, di ba
Everybody
yun?
like sat up.
Swiping, no swiping.
You have to like find so you know. You have to watch it.
Oh.
No, it's
Explain what
good
you're
for
talking
you.
about.
Aaron, this is going to be good for you.
Get it. Go. My language. My whoops.
That's what you got. Close your mouth and then dance.
Sadya na naisang. Tapos herpy na.
Okay.
Ikaw nagsuggest na roll ko.